Oh, who's that for?
For sister. The four sisters. The four sisters.
Oh.
The four sisters.
Oh, we can't forget the reindeer.
Do you think he's going to like them?
Sisters. It's a gift for reindeer. It's reindeer.
Do you think Santa will like his cookies?
Yes. With the whiskers. Nice. Nice. Those are circles. Those are circles.
That's right, those are circles.
Those are all circles. Those are Santa's cookies and milk. Ooh, nice. Oh, good cookie. It's green. It's blue.
We're going to put this down for the reindeer?
Yeah.
So
Ooh,
reindeer can have some
yummy.
carrots.
Nice. What's here? Someone see it.
That looks good.